Bruh. What's gonna happen here, Jack?
This ain't good.
Rest in peace. Goodbye.
JackUltraMotive, we signing off.
Try and cook some good old cookies on the car and see if those will fry. Get some McGuire's real quick and make sure our pan is all nice and cleaned off because the car's kind of been sitting out in the trees for that minute.
I don't know what you're talking about. I like my pollen cookies.
Now, putting cookies directly on your car is not something that's recommended, but Samir is a professional detailer right here, and he is giving me the consent to do this. Put one right there.
First thing here is just a sizzling.
Imagine, I'm not gonna lie, like, I've never even seen people do this stuff before, but I just have a hunch that these are not gonna cook whatsoever, but if they do, then this car is magical.
This one's like, you can almost kind of see it's already starting to melt a little bit.
It is. We'll just stir it around a little bit right on the trunk. Well, yeah, she's gonna need a wash real bad after this. All right.
How bad does that hurt you?
Samir is suffering internally right now. Okay, 3 cookies, one for each of us. We're gonna let those cook while we go cook ourselves.
Yes.
It is so packed out there today.
Oh, yeah.
Like, this is just right outside the house. Oh, we hopping in the Cobalt for today.
The RHD.
Oh, Tim's gotta make the leap. White seats, good taste.
Oh yeah.
He's going with white arms now.
The bottle blew up a little bit.
Yeah, let me steal some of that.
Yeah.
Alright,
It's alright. Take as much as you want. Rub yourself on other people. Yeah.
That sounds really bad.
It's alright, the arms match the interior combo right now.
Holy shit, dude.
Pull up to that one fucking boat.
Yeah!
Do you happen to have a pump? Ours died. For like an inner tube. Do you mind if I borrow it real quick?
Are they even responding?
He said, yeah, just pull
Oh, okay.
I'll drive over.
I can't hear anything.
I'll just blink over there real quick. I don't mind a good swim.
Yeah, dude. Here, take the 2. Yeah, there's just some more there. Or that.
Come on. I'd be scared for a second.
Yeah, now the boat doesn't start. We need a pump, then we need a new motor.
This ain't a BMW, come on.
I wonder what engine it is. These usually, yeah, these usually just have LSs and stuff like that.
Is this a LS Corvette motor?
This is a Volvo Penta 280 horsepower V6.
Oh, V6 Volvo power. Swedish.
You know about that V6 line?
Yes, sir.
No turbo though.
Aw.
Wish it was a Koenigsegg Swedish. Won't hit him. Won't hit him. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh.
Give me the beans.
What happened? It started.
That's such a build-up.
It started and then.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, hey. We got air. So we have a tube, boys. We now have a tube. Yes.
Awesome. There you go. All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, who's going first?
Shout out to the Ski Nautique fellows for getting our tubes pumped up. Alright, let's do it!
Alright.
Where's the seat?
What's up? Where's the seat?
There's no seat.
What? No seat.
You hold on.
Hold on for dear life.
I like just what?
Where's the seat? I'm gonna last like T-minus 2 seconds.
I'll go easy.
That's what she said.
Oh. Hey!
Yeah.
Get up, Tim!
Woo!
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. They're both off. Man down.
I lost my man, and then I lost myself.
Oh, down.
Oh, fancy seeing you guys here.
Yeah, I know, right? You need a ride?
It's been a nice 3 days, but yeah, I could use a lift.
Oh, okay. He's like a beached whale.
Blue M3 is deceased. Rest in peace.
Whoa! The tube's got flight!
next morning.
If you've ever want to see what Bill Gates' house looks like, boom. It's hidden by a lot of trees, but how much square footage?
It's 44,000 square feet. I've got this tech when you walk in the room, it knows who you are, it starts playing music, sets the temperature, full-time security, it's every surrounding house, and then all the people that work there for like staff, cooks, and all that crazy stuff.
That is crazy.
2 gates and a lot of portions.
2 gates to support 1 Bill Gates.
A lot of portions? Yeah, a lot of portions.
That's dope.
Absolutely not, dude. No.
Tim has a phobia of losing phones in waters.
Yeah, and he's just like flipping
Yo, do
his
it
phone up in
again?
the air.
He can't handle it right now. It's way too much for him.
What?
Oh!
I'm gonna
You're
go.
responsible.
What happened? Nah.
Toss my phone at him.
Last time we were here, we had the boat parked up and it was super wavy, and then Sarah tossed her phone and she had a pop socket, so it hit the dock, bounced, went straight in the water.
Oh.
Yeah, it's 14 feet deep, so I was like, I can't die.
So it was just gone?
It was gone immediately.
Yeah, I guess they're
How many
heavy.
phones are down there? Think about that.
My God, pulling up with the red edition, the Focus RS Limited right here.
Red iPhone?
You got Shake Shack. Be jealous of it. Look how good that is. I'm also supporting. I got the Pride Shake. You know, we had to. So the cookies though. This is actually, I would let them cook even longer. The cookies have actually been making progress here. You can see that they've kind of glazed themselves over the trunk and they're working their way into flattened out cookies. I can't believe that a car can actually cook cookies out in the sun. I thought it was just a myth, but this is actually happening. So we'll give it a little bit longer and we'll see our results in the end.
Hang on, wait, flip it around. Hang on, here we go.
He could do his at. He could do his whole blue M3 at on the back right there.
Blue_M3. Boom.
Boom! My guy is red. Hey, we got the Stin coming up on board. He's like, how do I do this? You just gotta go for it. Yo, we could probably use some weight distribution.
I got a wave in my shoe.
Oh!
I was like, that was a green, bro.
Yo, anyone want to up for a shoey?
So for watching this video, be sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out of stands. I deserve another 100 bands. I deserve another 100 fans. Told him this was always in the plans. I just did it cause they said I can. Blowing euros when I'm down in France. Labels asking how I build a brand. Told him put a check up in my hands. Still got time, no cap. Made a few checks, but they all in the raps. Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the back. 0 to 100, seen the rap in the dash. They ain't catching up, dog, I'm moving too fast. I'm in the big leagues. Told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, sell it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in a big league.
Getting water balloon attack. We. Oh, incoming. Hey, yo, get it back. Oh. Do we know these people?
No, we don't. We don't know them at all. We're just starting random water balloon fights right now. We've given him some time. How they look?
Noise.
Jack, that was a horrible idea.
Well,
They're still very raw.
They are still very, very raw.
but they've melted pretty well onto there. I mean, it's the shape of a cookie. Welcome to Chef UltraMotive. Okay, this is how you do it.
That's incredibly awesome.
It's a little mushy. It's a little bit raw. It actually kind of looks like wet sand. Like it looks like this would be good for making a sandcastle right now. It does taste good. I'm just saying. It is pretty good. It's got a little bit of a crisp edge on the top. So it has cooked on that part, and we'll have to figure out what to do about this later on. You know, on a factor cap, it is fact that you can technically make 75% of a cookie on your black car.
I was not expecting just straight into the paint. I mean, I
Yep.
get it. Like, it's not very good paint, but like...
Well, yeah.
That is the only reason why I let you
Well, I
do
didn't want to put a pan on it because theoretically that's not using the actual, like,
Well, I was
car.
thinking of just like a sheet of tinfoil.
Yeah, you could. Yeah,
Dude,
we
you
could've
should have
done
actually sprayed Pam on the car. Then we would have had the nice cooking.
it. True.
Oh, yeah. True.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney.
Dude, we almost became the meme of all of us flying out of the boat.
Are you okay? Because we flew! Not you! Because we've hit it harder than you did!
We almost flew out of the boat just now.
We almost died!
When the inner tubing burns.
We are the victim.
We all fall out of the boat, but he's still on the tube.